Welcome back, guys, to Tech Balance, and this is the second episode of ccna course, and I'm going to show you how to configure EIGRP in your network, and this is how we go about it. So let's start by setting up two networks. That's the first router and the second router, that is router 0 and router 1. Let's pick some PCs. And let's pick some switches. The first switch, the second switch. Let's do the wire connection. So let's give the PCs IP addresses. So this one is 192.168.0.2, 192.168.0.1, 192.168.0.1, 172.16.0.1, 172.16.0.2. Let's now configure the IP addresses into the PCs. 192.168.0.2. The default gateway is the IP address to the interface connecting to the PC, and that is 192.168.0.1. The other PC the IP address is 172.16.0.2, and the default gateway is 172.16.0.1. Let's configure the IP addresses of the interfaces in the router. So gig interface, gig 0 0 IP address, it's 172.16.0.1. 16.0.1. Shut down. This other one is interface gig 0 0 IP address is 192.168.0.1 255.255.255.0. Now shut down. Now let's configure IP addresses for these both interfaces connecting the two routers. So exit interface gig 0 IP address 190.10.0.1 255.0.0.0. Shut down. Let's do the same to this other router. Interface gig 0 1 IP address 10.0.0.2 255.0.0.0. Now shut down. After we're done with this, let's now configure the EIGRP protocol between the two routers so as to establish communication between the two networks. Let's start with router 0. Exit. So we'll do this by the following. We'll do this by using the following commands. Router EIGRP 1. This one is an autonomous number. You can use a autonomous number. You can use autonomous number from between 1 and 65,535. You can pick any number and use it as autonomous number, but remember the number you use, it should be the same autonomous number that you will use in the next router. Okay, let's continue. So network 10.0.0.0. Then let's advertise this network over here, and that network is 192.168.0.0. network 192.168.0.0. Let's do the same to the other router. Router EIGRP 1 network 10.0.0.0. Look, as you can see, the connection has already been established between the two networks, so there's communication right now. Now let's advertise this network over here, which is 172.16.0.0 network 172.16.0.0. Yes, and now let's verify if router 0 has received the connection, and we'll do that by typing this command: show IP route EIGRP. So you can see that there is the connection, and it is 172.16.0.0 via 10.0.0.2. This means that the configuration was successful, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.